Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on USB debugging in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to enable USB debugging in your phone, so let's see how can I do this. Just open your phone settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for about phone. First of all, we're going to enable developer options, so go for about phone and here go for software information, then look for build number. Just tap on it almost 7 times. Just tap on it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 until you get allow development setting. Just tap on OK, and here you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, and here you will get developer options. Just tap on it, and here just scroll down and look for USB debugging, just like that. Just tap on it to enable it. Just tap on OK to enable USB debugging from here. So in this way you can easily turn on or enable USB debugging in your Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.